My guru used to say, आपको ध्याओ, आपको भजो, आप में, आपके राम, आप होकर रहते हैं। अंधविश्वास में नहीं जाना, जा जाके उधर माथा नहीं टेकना। Do not make your spirituality on the basis of fear and greed. These two things are impure. The fear is negative energy and the greed is negative energy. So the whole motivation behind your religion or behind your spirituality should not be fear and greed. It should be the love and Satchitananda and the belief in the self. And this is what I want to awaken in every one of you. The God dwells in you. What you are looking outside. I used to travel to all the sacred places and I used to go and meditate there. I have not left any sacred place in India. Let it be Shakti Peeth, let it be Jyotirlinga, let it be the ancient temple, let it be any holy place. And it was real fun, let me tell you. It was immediately the pratap, the Shakti of that place. And I can easily now tell that this Shakti means that place. This Shakti, even I can, differentiate and I can tell you, this is the bliss. And even I can differentiate, it is the goddess and it is the Shiva. It's the bliss, but the bliss, it is different. It's different. I can tell you. But my Guru said that the real bliss you will get when you will meditate in a temple which God has made. I said, where is that? I have visited many. And I think many the God has made. He said, no. This body is the temple which God has made. And that is what I realized. And from that time onward, I stopped running. Now I knew the temple is traveling with me. I have to just sit down, close my eyes, and enter into this sacred temple. And sitting in that temple, now as a Shambhavi Sadhak of Shiva Yoga, I can connect to any of the sacred place. Like, let me tell you, every day I visit Mount Kailash, sitting in Kenya. Many times I have visited from here. Now, wherever I have to go, I just go there as a Shambhavi Sadhak. Now, the third eye, I go there, connect, receive the empowerment, receive the grace, and I am full. This is what I am going to teach every one of you. This is now, we are going to start the sadhana. And onward from now on, Sri Vidya to the final level, this is what you are going to expand and enhance that quality within you. Then you will never feel helpless, you will never feel lonely. Because now you know how to tap that cosmic energy, how to tap the holy energy, how to tap the God's energy and be one. That is Shiva Yoga. Shiva is infinite and Yoga is merging with infinite. And I am teaching you the different steps of how to merge with infinite. So this all is not just fiction. This is very much scientific, very much scientific.